Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making something sweet, fluffy and totally irresistible, which is the homemade donut. Whether you are a pro or you are just getting started, I will show you how easy it is to make this golden pillowy treat right in your own kitchen or your own home. So grab your apron, get your flour, your egg, your margarine and other ingredients you'll be seeing in this video, and let's get started. Make sure you also tell me in the comment section how your own donut came out and how you were able to make it. If there is any issues, make sure you drop it. I will be ready in the comment section to reply your comment. So guys, watch this video to the end and let's get started to the video right now.
My baby, you find no be small, oh. I be you legacy. I love you very big, oh. If those say you go greet you, greet make you be my baby. We go there happy, we go there jolly. Asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you, Golibe. Asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. You dey my heart, yo. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe. Yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe. My baby.